The municipality of Kapalong is indeed a beautiful one. There are a lot of things that we can find, especially in our culture and in our everyday life. It can be people that we can meet personally or things that we still need to recognize and appreciate. As you can see, we still have out there sculpture remains with the great Dr. Jose Rizal, even though this sculpture is common because we can see it everywhere. We have this culture of honoring the memory of Jose Rizal, plus include the fact that every National Heroes Day, the people used to offer flowers and prayers for the soul of our pabansang bayani. Nakakamangha, di ba? It should be appreciated by everyone, not just because it gives beauty to this place, but because it is worth having here. So we are talking about public servant. We can see them everywhere. Some work in the government, in the school, in the offices, or even in the street. They always make sure that they can fulfill their promises to the people they serving with. They work hard just to earn money, and they work hard because it's their passion to help us. As a Kapalongian who observe this kind of a behavior from them, we can say that they are doing well and they are well-mannered, especially when facing and accommodating people like us. Without them, surely, there would be a war and misunderstanding. They are the one who cleans all of our mess. They maintain the cleanliness and put away all the things that's scattered everywhere. In other words, they are the tagapagtaguyod ng kalinisan sa ating kapaligiran.
Nowadays, there are a lot of new establishments exist here in our place. One of it was the Blue Leaf Cafe. There are many students from different schools come here because of its aura and delicious foods. Millennials like us do love it. Next is Meraki Gastro Hub. It is a small restaurant that offers various of foods to the market. When you come here, surely your appetite will boost immediately. Everyone knows what is 7-Eleven, right? It is just an establishment that has a lot of branches all over the world. Students, workers, or even travelers can pass by and buy items such as foods and drinks here. This is one of the awesome stores I knew, and it is quite efficient to everyone. The queen of makeover is in our municipality. Leo Ribeta brought his salon here for everyone. Their offers are beyond beautiful that even the commoners will grab it. They will transform you into much better you. His famous tagline is, "Love yourself." Will surely be your tagline after you come here. Indeed, Kapalong is a competitive in regards to the new things that come along. This municipality proves that it should go with the trend and mostly, it should make every Kapalongian happy.
Here in Kapalong, there are a lot of people who have potential to cook delicious foods, and some are found in a restaurant, in an eatery, or even in our own home. Their life in kitchen may be quite hard because of the heat, but they still choose what their heart and mind desire. They usually work for money and use their skills to create trademarks in which everyone can remember.
Dream here, compete there, and runs everywhere. These are the reasons why Katribo Mindanao Ensemble becomes a good and outstanding artists in their generation. They are consists of high school students who have a good skills in performing and dancing. It is their passion to dance. That's why this group becomes a family. They compete everywhere and give glory to our beloved municipality. They may be young at heart, but their desire to dance is really mature enough. They have confidence that will surely bring them to the top. They make us proud, they are one and they are fun.
Last but not the least, the man of the hour, the farmers. I guess every one of us already know that they are the reason why we have something to eat today. They plant rice, vegetables, and fruits that we usually buy in the market. I guess we can't live without them. They are our suppliers so that we can eat healthy and nutritious food. Here in Kapalong, there are a lot of farmers that we can be proud of. Every time we see them in the rice field, under the heat of the sun, we can't deny the fact that they work hard just to earn money and just to supply the need of the market. We are also proud because we are the son and the daughter of these mighty farmers. We salute you all. Truly, the culture of Kapalong is beautiful and lively. It still remains even with the fact that technology occurs nowadays. Yes, we tend to like and follow the trend, but because of what we discovered from this documentation, we appreciate all the things and people that we often see every day. We understand their story and we learn from it.